Today we're leaving Lyon for a 3.5 hour ride to the beautiful town of Burgos. We'd been riding on the N630 for about 42 minutes when we came across the Valencia de Don Juan Castle, also known as the Coyanza Castle. It was built in the 15th century and is erected on ruins of fortifications dating back to the Iron Age. On the road to Burgos. We've been on the road now for a good couple of hours. And bum was aching, we're desperate for a stop, there was nothing around. Poor pilgrims, how they managed? We've passed dozens and dozens of pilgrims, there's no one for them to stop and have a coffee. Anyway, so we just pulled off the main road, came across this, fortunately, this little petrol station, which does food as well. And a toilet, which is most important. And the weather is glorious. Low 20s, perfect. So we'll be in Burgos in about an hour and a half, an hour and 20. So check in later. A Mars bar and a cup of coffee later, we were good to go. Burgos is a city in northern Spain and the historic capital of Castile. It's got about 180,000 inhabitants. It's also home to one of Europe's most beautiful Gothic cathedrals. It has further claim to fame by being General Franco's headquarters during the Spanish Civil War, and is also the burial place of El Cid. El Cid immortalised in the film of the same name, starring of course Charlton Heston. His real name was Rodrigo Diaz de Vivar, and it was a Castilian knight and warlord in medieval Spain. And to this day he's known as the hero of Spain. So that's the hotel parking, secure parking. Now let's go and check out our room in the Abba hotel in Burgos. Not to be confused with Abba in Sweden. So here is my room. Nice bathroom, tub, great for a soak. Light and airy room, the ground floor. Nice big double bed, very comfortable. Yeah, we even got a little place to sit outside. But it's too hot to do that. But it's a really nice room, very nice place. Thumbs up to the Abba Burgos. So we made it to the lovely, delightful Burgos, and it's cooking hot, 27 degrees, which is perfect for soup. And this is the magnificent, very famous Burgos Cathedral. Behind us, I'm just about to see it. Burgos Cathedral was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. The building process began in 1221 and took 346 years to complete. We're in the plaza here. We literally just got off the bike, had a quick shower, so we're going exploring, and I think what we need to do is sit down, have a beer and make a plan. Gracias.
De nada. This looks like it.
Cheers, huh? Make a proper one. Tune in later on, folks. Suitably refreshed after our cerveza and sangria, of course. What we're going to do is going to jump on a train now.
Goes 3 minutes? Where do we get tickets then?
Sadly, the best laid plans and all that, we couldn't get on our little train because, why? They wouldn't sell us a ticket.
No, we had to have a ticket an hour and a half in advance.
The ticket office shut. So now, following our usual habit of checking out where we're going to have dinner tonight. And hopefully we won't have to wait till 8 o'clock tonight and drink copious amounts of cerveza to keep us going. The ancient Burgos Cathedral. I think it's the oldest cathedral in Spain. Why is it that whenever you get a statue, especially one sitting down, there's always some idiot who wants to pose with it? So when Elsid came to stay in Burgos, this is where he used to stay. His own little hotel. Okay folks, another day of beautiful Spain. Well, it's a bit cloudy this morning. Yesterday was beautiful and hot, 27 degrees. So we're leaving Burgos and we're heading to Pamplona. Too late for the bull run, but we've got about a 3 or 4 hour journey. It's forecast to be a bit grey, but we'll see how we get along. See you later. Pamplona is the capital of the Navarre province of northern Spain, best known for the running of the Bulls Festival in July. During this legendary multi-day festival, bulls are led through the city streets by, some would say, daredevil runners, and it's also a major stop along the Camino de Santiago pilgrimage route. The great American novelist Ernest Hemingway was fascinated by Pamplona. In fact, he was obsessed by it. He visited 9 times, spent a lot of time around the bars, became obsessed with bullfighting, and it was there that he wrote his famous novel The Sun Also Rises in 1926. But that thing. This is our hotel in Pamplona, Hotel Pamplona Catedral, because one, it's next to the ancient cathedral of Pamplona, but also it's a converted convent. So sleeping here, we're closer to God. So let's have a look inside. There's just a kind of bar area. Hola. Perdón. And we're convenient located. First one. 102. So this is room 102. It's quite dark really, but it's actually quite nice. The bed's big enough. View not too spectacular, given we're on all those tiny little alleyways. But you don't spend too much time in the room anyway. And decent bathroom with a great shower. Yeah, a pretty good room actually. In the Hotel Catedral, Pamplona. Well folks, we've just arrived, it's a very blowy day, we just arrived in Pamplona. And guess what? We're here at another cathedral. They're doing the tour of all the cathedrals in Spain. This is another old, very famous one. This is one of the major ones on the stop of the Camino with the pilgrims. And it's brightening up again, just as we arrived. So it's 4:15. Just checked into a hotel and we're just orientating ourselves around Pamplona. So let's see where it takes us. So we found the main plaza in Pamplona. It's obviously a kind of exhibition on, or has been. It's full of tents which are ruining the shop, to be honest. What was it, babe? A market of some sort. Sit in the sun, have a beer, and then create a plan We've had one sandwich all day, one Russian salad sandwich, services. So,
And a banana.
oh yeah, sorry. Banana for breakfast. So let's grab a beer and think about where we're going to eat tonight. So these were the actual streets where the bull run takes place. It must be incredibly scary with several tons of rampant bull chasing you down in front of hundreds of other people and getting trampled underfoot. Still, whatever floats your boat. Just wandering around the streets of Pamplona, and it's 10 to 2, too early for beer o'clock, but we found this lovely little coffee and cake shop.
The day till the bullfighting. So the same bulls of the bull running are the same bulls of the bullfighting in the evening.
Okay.
They are to bring them here.
And all in 8 days.
Yeah, 8 days, 8 bull runnings and 8 bullfighting.
Do you know what round it is?
Yeah.
One pensioner.
You're a pensionist?
Pensioner.
Yeah.
I'm not.
You're not?
No.
Okay. So one general
From England, North of London.
Bull ring itself. This is the second largest bullfighting arena in Spain, the fourth largest in the world, the oldest reinforced concrete structure in Spain. Holds just under 20,000 people, and it's balls it on. Don't agree with it, but it must be part of the culture. They've been doing it for thousands of years, I guess, but it's really strange to be in here. And we got some bullfighters there getting ready to practice. And this is the holding pen where they keep the bulls before they actually go into the arena. And this is it. Oh, it's like Gladiator, isn't it? Got to start somewhere. Apprentice bullfighters. And this is the chapel they pray in before they go into the ring. Yeah. Got the poor old bulls, what do they do to pray? So we're in the plaza where the City Hall is, which is the building right behind us. It's a magnificent structure, and this is apparently where the start of the running of the bulls is, and ends up at the bull ring that we went to see yesterday. And it's, I can't imagine it, full of hundreds of people and a dozen or so rampaging bulls. But it's a beautiful spot, and currently 20 degrees. Thanks for joining us on our 2-day trip to Pamplona. It was a really fascinating city. Stay tuned for the next episode. And remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Until next time.